I can't imagine how we managed the first 5 years without you guys, honestly. I have learned so much in working with the SBDC.
Yeah, absolutely.
The SBDC is just part of our program in the expansion growth throughout the state of Florida. What East Hill Academy and ultimately Century Academy does is we provide educational services to children who are diagnosed either with autism or on the autistic spectrum or some form of a serious learning disability. I have one child, and during the time that she was in kindergarten and transitioning from kindergarten to first grade, we've discovered that she had a learning disability. My child has central auditory processing disorder, and it was very difficult for her to learn to read. She does not hear phonetic sounds easily. So what happened was, over a long course of trying to figure out how she learned, we discovered that it was all about processing, and that's been many years ago, back in the early 80s. Ultimately, she went on through school, graduated with a doctorate degree, and is an audiologist now herself. So we had a very successful story personally, and my thoughts were, I knew that I was not the only parent that had a child with a disability, and I knew she was smart and I knew she could make it. So my goal was to be able to help other parents who felt like they had the same things happening in their life with their children. You know, when a parent loses hope, I've been there. It's all about whether or not you can generate some hope for a family who feels that they have got a child who will ultimately not be able to be successful in life. Every child can learn. Every single child can learn, absolutely. And sometimes all it takes is believing in them until they can believe in themselves. As we go and grow, the SBDC is just part of our program in the expansion growth throughout the state of Florida.